And welcome viewers to the Daily Space Weather. We are unapologetic for having the most in-depth and most detailed footage of the closest star on the entire internet. First thing we're looking at is 171 plus colorized magnetogram here from the SDO to see that sunspot 2957 has indeed grown in complexity. The likelihood of solar flares has gone way up, and we even saw a C-class flare while we did show prep. So thanks everybody for tuning in to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We've got a lot more imagery to show you here, so let's get to it. Here's some composite imagery from the SDO. 171 plus 131 angstroms. We've got a new sunspot, I think, forming in front of sunspot 2957. That'll be known as sunspot 2959 if it remains there long enough, right under my pointer right there. Here's some additional wavelengths. Now we've got 94 plus 1700 angstroms. Sunspots 2954 and 2955 have been largely stable. And we'll show more in-depth analysis of those in our Fields and Features segment, which usually premieres after this Daily Space Weather video. Here's 304 angstroms ionized helium. And here's 171 angstroms by itself. That's ionized iron, if you're wondering. The radio flux still at 99 solar flux units. So there's the one-year chart of the radio flux. And here's the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard to show a brief period of geomagnetic unrest expected last night, actually. The heck? Got showing old data there. I pressed refresh. You saw it, right? Anyway. That's the current state of affairs on the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard. We are seeing an earthquake drought. Yes, an earthquake drought of the 7 magnitude variety. So those red bars there, those are 7 magnitude earthquakes. Quite a lengthy drought happening here at the moment. Remember, folks, any earthquake could be a foreshock. Please have a plan for disasters if you're in an earthquake-prone zone especially. Try to be an asset, not a liability in the event of a disaster. If you're wondering who the cavalry is, it could be because you're the cavalry. So here is the last 24 hours. No quakes in the 6 magnitude range, although some in the 5 magnitude range, such as this one here in Mexico. That's a 5.3, a 5.2 way out in the Aleutian Islands there in the western Aleutians. There's a 5.0 at Guam, actually quite a bit south of Guam there. Also, the central mid-Atlantic ridge saw a 5.3. There's a location of that one out here in the, right on the equator there, in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. A 5.0 in the Loyalty Islands area there, north of New Zealand. A 5.2 at Afghanistan, a 5.0 at Tonga, as the 7 magnitude earthquake drought continues. Most recent was a 5.0 at the South Sandwich Islands. That one came in at 11:10 Universal Time. Let's check volcanoes and close this thing out. Suwanosejima is still erupting in an explosive fashion. It's produced a 5,000-foot plume of volcanic ash. Mount Ibu also exploding. 7,000-foot ash plume there, flight level 070. Semeru also exploding. 14,000-foot ash plume from Semeru over East Java. Kilauea has seen the lava lake drop 10 meters over the past 24 hours, and some effusive activity there, lava flowing toward the south, toward the sea there, the Pacific Ocean. Nevado del Ruiz exploding. 21,000-foot ash plume, flight level 210 over Colombia from Nevado del Ruiz. Sangre exploding. Flight level 200, 20,000-foot ash plume over Ecuador. Revenador exploding. Flight level 150 from the Revenador volcano, also located in Ecuador. Sporadic puffs are a reminder not to pole vault the Sabancaya caldera in Peru. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Please do support the channel, whether it's pressing like, pressing share, pressing subscribe, or visiting the links below the video, or perhaps on our homepage, which we'll show you momentarily at smashomash.com. Please don't pole vault the caldera. If you're going through hell, keep going. We know what that's like. here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. That's a quote from Winston Churchill, by the way. If you're going through hell, keep going. And don't pole vault the caldera. It could be unhelpful, and we need the views on YouTube. So welcome to the DR Renaissance. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. We are in the process of explaining the solar polar field reversal and sunspot cycles. So help us out with that. Again, by pressing like and subscribe, becoming a member of the Smash team, perhaps. You've seen our paywall. We just can't show you what's behind it. So thanks most of all to the Smash team. We replaced Patreon with a superior site, and I'm actually wearing the Smash team t-shirt right now. That one is only available to annual paid-up subscribers. Thanks once again for tuning into the content. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.